Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Google Search has just got a major upgrade in India. Google has announced the new AI mode that let you ask complex questions at its annual developer conference I/O earlier this year in May. The smarter AI-powered search experience is officially coming to India and is now available through Google Labs. With AI mode, you can ask longer, more detailed questions and get smart AI-powered answers all in one go. This mode is perfect for things like trip planning, comparisons, or complex how-tos. Let's say you ask, "My kids are 4 and 7, suggest indoor activities that keep them active during hot days without needing expensive toys." AI mode will break this question down into parts and will give you suggestions, links, and follow-ups instantly. You can even ask follow-up questions like, "What can they do independently?" The experience will feel like a conversation with an expert sitting right inside Google Search. But that's not all. Google Search's AI mode is multimodal. This means you can ask using text, voice, or even photos. Just tap the mic to speak your query or take a photo and ask something like, "What is this plant and how do I take care of it?" The AI will identify, explain how to take care of it, and give you more information all in seconds. It also works with Google Lens, which is also India's most used visual search tool. If AI mode isn't fully confident about a response, you'll see traditional web results because accuracy and credibility matters. However, it is important to note that AI mode in Google Search is different from the Gemini chatbot. While Gemini is a standalone chatbot for conversations, AI mode is built directly into Google Search, which combines web results and AI-powered reasoning. This feature is rolling out as an experimental one, and you can try it today by joining Google Labs in the Google app. So, how would you want to use the AI mode in Google Search? Let us know in the comments, and for more such tech updates, subscribe to Gadgets Now.